Now see chapter number 30. All of you open. India, my homeland. Okay, India, my homeland. India has many wonderful monuments which were built by great kings many years ago. So India has so many wonderful monuments which were built by great kings during their days. Okay, so it was built by the great kings of India many years ago. Now what we have to do here, answer the following questions using utility box. Now see number 1, all of you start writing. Okay, now see here, where is the Taj Mahal located, children? So where is the Taj Mahal located? Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Okay, Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Now see number 2, who built the Red Fort? Who built the Red Fort? Answer is Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan. Okay, Shah Jahan built the Red Fort. See, number 2 is Shah Jahan. Number 1 is Agra. Number 2 is Shah Jahan. Number 3, where is the Rashtrapati Bhavan situated? Where is the Rashtrapati Bhavan situated? Answer will be New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi. Now number 4, who built the Qutub Minar? Who built the Qutub Minar? Qutub. See, write the correct answer. Okay. See, there the spelling is not correct in the book. Okay, what you will write? Qutub. Okay, Qutub. Ud. Kutubuddin. Okay, Kutubuddin. Din. Kutubuddin Aibak. Aibak. Kutubuddin Aibak. Okay. So please write the correct answer. Write Qutub. Okay. Qutub Uddin. Wait, I will write for you here. What you will write the correct answer? The correct spelling? Qutubud. Okay. Din. Kutubuddin Aibak. All of you look at the screen and write the correct spelling. In the book, there is not correct. Okay. So write the correct spelling. Qutub-Ud-Din. Kutubuddin Aibak. Aibak. Kutubuddin Aibak. All of you write the correct spelling. Have you all completed? Okay, see now see the next one. How many cities were Jantar Mantar built in? How many cities? How many cities were Jantar Mantar built in? 5. What is the answer? Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Now see again, I'm reviewing the quiz. Where is the Taj Mahal located? Taj Mahal is located in Agra. The next one, who built the Red Fort? Shah Jahan built the Red Fort. The next one, where is the Rashtrapati Bhavan situated? It is situated in New Delhi. Who built the Qutub Minar? Kutubuddin Aibak built the Qutub Minar. How many cities were Jantar Mantar built in? Answer will be 5. Okay. Have you all completed this one? Now see the this one. Did you know? Just wait, Mehrab. Did you know the full name of Dr. Don't raise the hand now. The full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is Dr. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. So his name is, the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam is this. Okay, Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. He lived He lives in Indian people's heart as the missile man of India and the people's president. He was a scientist and an engineer who served as the president of India from 2002 to 2007. Okay, children? Yes. So this one is very important. Just write this one. Mark this one. The full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was Dr. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin. Dr. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. Mark this one. Okay, he was also known as the Missile Man of India. Underline this statement. Okay, Missile Man of India. All of you underline. He was also known as the Missile Man of India. Okay. Now number B. All of you lower your hand. I don't want to see anyone's hand raised on. Just wait. All of you lower your hand. Irene, just wait. First let me complete. Then I will listen to you. Now number B. Who is number? Just wait. Wait, Arohi, wait. Number B. Answer the following questions using utility box. Yes, Arohi, now tell me. What happened, Arohi?
ম্যাম এখন তো কম্পিউটার ক্লাস হবে।
Yes, I know, but your ma'am will not take your class today. She's not well. Okay, so on her behalf, I'm taking. Okay.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay, just follow me. Just follow the screen. Okay. Yes, what happened, Rajdi?
Ma'am, we will write also the Great India chapter number 31.
Yes, yes. In the next class, I will take that. Okay. Okay.
Exercise A and B both.
Yes. In the next class, I will take that. Don't do now. Yes, Aishani. What happened, Aishani?
Ma'am.
Yes. Aishani, tell me. Yes, Aishani, tell me.
Repeat the number of A.
The A. Okay. A1. This one. So who located this one, number A? Where is the Taj Mahal located?
No, ma'am.
Then
Second page, first one.
this one, Great Indians.
Yes, ma'am. Repeat again.
Okay. Okay, this I have not done. Aishani, don't do this one. This page we will do then in the next class. This one I am doing. Okay. By mistake, I went there. Okay. Yes. This one you do. Did you know?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Irene.
Ma'am, why called Missile Man of India?
Yes.
Missile Man.
Missile Man is called APJ. Irene, don't do that chapter.
Why?
Irene, we will do that in the next class. Okay. Yes, Banna Bhaiya. Again, you are raising hands. Children, don't raise hand. Lower your hand, everyone, first. Now, see this one. Did you know? Mark this one. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra, UP. All of you mark this one. Yes, all of you mark this one. Banna Bhaiya, don't do that page. Okay. Do this one. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra, UP. Okay. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra, UP. Okay, all of you have completed. Where is the Taj Mahal located? It's situated in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. So all of you have completed. Irene, have you completed chapter number 30?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Bana Bhaiya also have completed. Armin, what happened, Armin? Very good, children.
Very fine number question.
5 number is number 5. Answer will be 5. See, answer will be 5. How many cities were Jantar
ma'am.
Mantar built in? Answer will be 5. 5. Okay.
Fine number to बोला दिन.
Answer will be 5. Number 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Mute everyone. Lower your hand, all of you. Yes, Ronak. What happened, Ronak?
Ma'am, I am completed. I am Ronak Roy.
Very good, children. Okay. Okay, I will ask now everyone. So just wait. Yes, Arvika. Arvika, whatever you want to say, no, just first, always you do, first raise your hand. Okay. First raise your hand and then I will tell you. Okay, now Arvika, and don't ever think that I don't ask you, don't think like this. Okay. You are also my student, a very good student, I know. Okay, so I love you also very much. And whatever you want to ask, just first raise your hand and I will call your name. At the first only I will call your name. Don't worry. But first you raise your hand, okay? At first. Okay, and never do any such things, okay, which makes me sad, okay? Don't make any silly complaints about me like this. Never ever.
Sorry.
Okay? Okay. You are also my
Sorry,
good
ma'am.
student and I also love you very much and I will ask you every day. So remember that I am your teacher and I love you also and you also love me and I will
Sorry.
ask you always. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Okay, Arvika, now tell me where is the Taj Mahal located?
Arghar.
Agra.
Agra.
Yes. And who built the Red Fort?
Shahjahan.
Shah Jahan. What? Shah Jahan. Okay, what you will do, children? You will learn the spellings, okay? Each and every spelling you will learn by heart, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
New Delhi.
and where is the Rashtrapati Bhavan situated?
New Delhi.
Okay, who built the Qutub Minar?
Kutu.
Qutubuddin Aibak.
Aibak.
Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, Tirasa, what happened? Have you completed, Tirasa? Very good, Arvika.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Mute yourself. Arvika, mute yourself. Okay, now Tirasa, tell me where is the Taj Mahal located?
Agra.
Very good. Who built the Red Fort?
Shahjahan.
And where is the Rashtrapati Bhavan situated?
New Delhi. New Delhi.
Okay, very good. Now, children, come to the first chapter. This one. Just wait. Did you know? All of you mark. Did you know? Okay. Yes, Irene. Now tell me, Irene. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Irene, where do the Christians go to worship?
Christian church.
Church. Yes. In which state is India? In which state in India is the Sun Temple located? Bihar or Odisha?
Orissa.
Okay, Irene. Okay. Now tell me from the second chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Where is Taj Mahal located?
Agra.
Okay, Agra. Very good, Irene. Okay. Mute yourself. Very good, Irene. Yes,
Thank
Arohi.
you, ma'am.
Arohi, unmute yourself. Arohi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, B number question national. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 32 number question Question.
32
number.
Yes.
Next.
B.
BA3. National Defense Day is celebrated on
March.
third March.
Third
The
March.
second March.
Third March.
Second March.
No, 3rd March. Answer will be A, 3rd March. Okay. Answer will be A, 3rd March.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Arohi. Now tell me, Arohi, where do the Hindu go for worship? Hindu go to worship where? Which place?
Aurangabad.
Yes. Yes. And where do the Muslim go to worship?
Christian.
Muslim go to
Muslim go to
mosque. Okay.
Muslim go to mosque.
Yes.
Mosque.
Okay, okay, Arohi. Very good. Learn all the chapters nicely. Okay, Arohi? Yes, Ayush. Unmute yourself, Ayush.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Ayush, unmute yourself. Yes, Ayush. What, Ayush? Bibi ka Maqbara is located in India in which place? Aurangabad or Nagaland? Bibi ka Maqbara. Aurangabad. Very good, Ayush. And Ayush, can you see this picture? Who go to worship there? First picture you can see. It is mosque. Who go to the mosque? People of which religion go there? People of which religion go there to pray in the mosque? Who go there? Hindu or Muslim?
Muslim.
Yes, very good, Ayush. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Banna Bhaiya. Banna Bhaiya, second picture you can see here. Page number 33. This is Gurudwara. People of which religion go there? Sikh, yes. And tell me, where is Golden Temple located? Where is Golden Temple located?
Hindu.
No, tell me, where is Golden Temple located? Golden Temple is located in?
Amritsar.
Yes, very good.
Amritsar.
Very good, Banna Bhaiya, very good. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Pratyusha, unmute yourself, Pratyusha. Pratyusha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, Pratyusha, where do Christians worship? Pratyusha, can you hear me? Where do Christians worship? Where do Christians worship? Pratyusha, can you hear me? Unmute yourself. Yes, unmute yourself, Pratyusha. I think there is some network problem. Okay, okay. Okay, don't worry. Those students who have... Yes, Shivagni, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivagni, tell me, where do Christians worship? Church or temple? Where do Christians worship? Church or temple?
Bolo, bolo.
Church or temple? Where do Christians worship in?
বলো কোথায় আছে বলো বলো না এটা বলো হ্যাঁ টেম্পল কোথায় আছে?
Oh, Christians, Christians. Where do Christians worship? Christians go to the
ওরা বলো church.
church. Yes, church. Very good. Okay, now tell me, where is the Taj Mahal located? Shivangi, where is the Taj Mahal located?
আগ্রা.
Agra. Okay, Shivangi, very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Sanchayan. Unmute yourself, Sanchayan.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me,
Ma'am.
Sanchayan, Sanchayan, where do the Christians worship? Where do the Christians worship?
Church.
Church, yes. And tell me, this picture you can see? Temple? Temple you can see? Who go to the temple? People of which religion go to the temple?
Hindu.
Yes, very good, Sanchayan.
Hindu.
Yes, very good. Okay, mute yourself. Very good, Sanchayan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Mute yourself. Yes, Rajdi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am fine. Very good. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, Rajdi, tell me, where is the Golden Temple located?
Golden Temple located in Amritsar.
Very good. Now tell me, where is the Taj Mahal located?
Taj Mahal located in Agra.
Very nice, very nice. Very good. Okay. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Himadri, unmute yourself, Himadri.
Yes, ma'am.
Himadri, tell me, where is the Rashtrapati Bhavan situated? Rashtrapati Bhavan,
New Delhi.
New Delhi. Very good. And who built, where is the Taj Mahal located?
Agra.
Very good, Himadri. Okay, very good.
Thank you,
Ashna.
ma'am.
Welcome. Ashna, unmute yourself. Ashna, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashna, tell me, who built the Qutub Minar? Qutubuddin Aibak. Who built? Qutubuddin Aibak. Okay. Who built the Red Fort?
Sajan.
Very good, Ashna. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Ashani, unmute yourself, Ashani.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashani, tell me, where is the Taj Mahal located?
Taj Mahal is located in Agra.
Okay. Now tell me, where is Bibi Ka Maqbara located in India?
Aurangabad.
Aurangabad. Very good, Ashani. Okay. Mute yourself. Yes, Diptha, unmute yourself, Diptha.
Yes, ma'am.
Diptha, tell me, where do the Christians worship?
Church.
Yes. Now tell me, where is Taj Mahal located?
Agra.
Very good, Diptha. Mute yourself. Ifra, tell me. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ifra, tell me, where. See this picture, you can see the last picture. What is this? Temple. Okay, so which religion of which people go there to worship?
Hindu.
Yes.
Hindu.
Okay.
Hindu.
Now tell me, Ifra, where is Taj Mahal located?
Agra.
Very good, Ifra.
Agra. Agra.
Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Pratyusha. Pratyusha, tell me. Where is the Pratyusha? Now tell me, where is the Rashtrapati Bhavan situated? Pratyusha, answer me. Look at the book, Pratyusha. Don't worry. Look at the book, page number 34. Look at the book, page number 34. Look at the book, page number 34. I'm just taking your revision. Don't worry. Okay. So where is New Delhi? Very good. Pratyusha, who go to worship? Okay, in church, where who go to worship?
Christian.
Very good. Very good, Pratyusha. Okay. Yes, Mosina, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mosina, tell me, who built the Qutub Minar?
Two. You. You.
Qutubuddin Aibak. Qutubuddin Aibak. Okay.
Kutukuddin Aiban.
Yes, Qutubuddin Aibak. Now tell me, where is Khajuraho temple located? Tamil Nadu or Madhya Pradesh? Khajuraho temple? Khajuraho temple is located in?
Look at it. New Delhi.
No, Khajuraho temple. Number 5, page number 33. Where is Khajuraho temple located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Mosina? Learn all the chapters nicely, okay?
Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. Yes, Mandeep? Answer me, Mandeep.
Yes,
Where is
ma'am.
Taj Mahal located, Mandeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Taj Mahal located?
Agra.
Okay. And who? Where do Christians worship? Where do Christians worship? Where do Christians worship, Mandeep?
Question tag में बोलूँ मैम.
Where do Christians go to worship? Christians go to worship in? Church. Okay. Where do the Christians go to worship? They go to church. Okay. Okay, Mandeep. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Armin, tell me, where do the Muslim go to worship?
Worship. Agra.
Okay. No, where do the Muslim go to worship? Where do the Muslims go to?
Mosque.
Mosque, yes. And where is Taj Mahal located? Taj Mahal is located in?
Taj Mahal.
Is located in where? Located in? Agra.
Church.
Agra. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Okay, Armin. Okay, very good. Learn all the chapters nicely, okay? Which whatever chapters I have completed in the class, you will revise once again. Okay? Yes, Suman, unmute yourself. Suman? Yes, Suman, tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Suman, tell me. Where is Golden Temple located? Suman, where is Golden Temple located? Golden Temple. Where is Golden Temple located? Amritsar. Yes. Amritsar. Very good. Now tell me, where is Taj Mahal located?
See? Taj Mahal. Bolo.
Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Very good, Suman. Very good. Okay, very good. Yes, Himadri, what happened, Himadri? Himadri, what happened? Himadri, you raised your hand. What happened?
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?
Yes, you can go. Okay. So children, you all have completed this chapter also. So tomorrow I will take your chapter number 31. Okay. So tomorrow I don't do yourself. I will do in the class. Then you will write. Okay. Okay. So all of you have completed. Very nice. Yes, Afreen. Have you completed, Afreen? GV, have you completed? Have you completed, Afreen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. So Afreen, where do the Christians go to worship?
Yeah.
Where do the Christians go to worship? Very good, Soumyadi.
But
Christians go to worship in church. Okay.
church.
Yes. And where is Taj
Okay,
Mahal
ma'am.
located? Where is Taj Mahal located, Afreen?
Tell me, look at it.